Today we'll talk about how to forward your RTC student email to your personal email address. First, log into your RTC student email. It'll look something like this. And then go to Settings. And this is in the upper right-hand side of your screen under the Gear button. Once you get into Settings, go to the search bar and start typing in forwarding. And as you'll see, this option will pop up called forwarding. And then you're going to get a screen that looks like this. You'll click first enable forwarding, and then here type in your email address. Okay, so once you've entered in your personal email address here, then you'll go ahead and click keep a copy of the forwarded message. And what that'll do is that when you get an email to your student email address, it's going to keep a copy here in this inbox as well as forward a copy to your personal email. That's great because then if you ever need to, you can log back into this email address and still see all of your student emails. The last thing you'll do is click save. And from now on, every email that you get from RTC is also going to show up in your email inbox.